Hello, welcome to Learn Hmong the J-Way. In this video, I am going to show you how the Hmong dictionary software works or how to use it. After you have installed the program on your computer, there should be an icon looking like this. To open the program, double click on it.
Welcome to Hmong Dictionary. Please read carefully before continue.
If you decline, the program will end. If you accept, just click here. This is the main screen of the software, and I'm going to explain to you the different menus up here, which will be covered in a separate video because it's going to be too long. English dictionary is going to be mainly for English to English and Hmong. Learn Hmong is very much for learning the Hmong language from consonant, vowels, tones. This one is Ke Aki for those that would like to learn the English language, or for Hmong people. Buy membership is to purchase the membership to use this program. Register my email is for registering your email after you have used the trial version and you wanted to continue using it after you have purchased the program membership. You just provide your email, the program will validate and accept, and then you can continue to use without the trial being expired. The about is just about this program and about myself. So let's start explaining the different area here. As you can see, there's 4 areas. This one is Hmong. This one is English. Over here is Hmong definition, English definition. So by default, it comes to the Hmong search word. So I defaulted to the Hmong. If you click here to search Hmong, Hmong, it retrieved the Hmong word. It translate or explain or define the word. Put the Hmong definition here, and then the English equivalent of this word into English down here. Now, if you want to learn more about each of these Hmong words, you would click, and then it will be translated or defined over here with Hmong definition. At the same time, the click Hmong word will get translated or shown down here under the English definition. So let's see if we click on gu, it translates this word gu over here, and then English down here. Sa, as you can see. Now, if you come to this area and you want to know the Hmong word here or any of this word, let's say you want to know what this Hmong word means, you would click here, Nye, and then it translate as the down arrow indicate that word Nye right here. Pe. Same thing down here. If you read the English and you want to know what each of the English word means in Hmong, you would click the word, let's say and. It translates that word up there into Hmong.
Only. Used. More.
Okay? If you don't want it to translate, you can uncheck like this. So
words. Hmong.
It doesn't, translate up there. But if you do, click on it.
We. Our. 3.
like that. Same thing down here, up here. If you don't want to translate down there, just uncheck this box. Okay, so under this area, if you wanted to learn more about the English words, let's say you click on the word language.
Language.
It translates or define the English word language over here. You can read up on it. And then it also translates that English word that you click up here. Let's say like yao lu, te lu, neng shi, like that. Okay? And then let's say you don't understand the word neng. You would click here, neng. And it will translate into English down here. And let's just say you don't understand the English now. This word.
Horse.
It translates into Hmong up there. So it's back and forth. Tao.
Carry. Back.
Lu. Okay. So you got the general understanding, gist, idea of this, right? You search for Hmong word, it translates that Hmong word into Hmong, and then into the equivalent English down here. But if you click any of this English word, it got translated into English and Hmong over here. If you click any of the Hmong words here, it translates into more Hmong definition, as well as the English translation down here. Like for example, bao, okay, it gets tao, gashia, etc. down here. English, let's say to know, to understand, comprehend, know how. Okay. Now let's take a look at one more Hmong word. You can press enter after you type it, or you can search by clicking the yellow thing here. I'm just going to press enter. Moi. And then it translates into here, English here.
Example.
And then over here,
Pigs.
over here, and up there. Now let's search for English word. You type in the English word and click search English word.
Love.
Translate into Hmong, and very extensive in English, right?
How.
How, translate the word how, and then Hmong. Okay.
Friendly.
Word friendly, up there. Last one,
Family.
definition of family, and then Hmong. Let's say you don't understand the word J. J, translated into house, home, shelter. Okay, this will cover the main screen. Again, you can change the font to bigger, smaller. This. And if you wanted to change the English from female to male, you can select male and then click read if you want to.
Definition 1. Strong affection. Definition 2.
You can stop, go back, select female.
Definition 1. Strong affection.
Okay. And for Hmong, sorry, I don't have a female speaker, so you're stuck with my voice, okay? So you can click any of this word to hear this audio or sound. Lu, su, li, gu, lu, go, nye, su, li, no, te. In other words, it's like, you love eating food. Okay, and definition 2, ge, shi, deng, meaning like, affair or romance. Okay, if you have any questions, leave me comments below. I will cover the above menus in a separate video. Thank you.